Hello dear student, myself Miss Sheila PA, HOD of Department of Pharmacognosy. Today in this video we are going to learn about the adulteration of a crude drugs, as we know that crude drugs are very much prone to the adulteration because of just morphological similarities. So now we will start with the definition, that is nothing but it is an debasement of an article or an adulterant that resembles to genuine, that is the standard drug, in respect to its morphological appearance, or it means incorporation of impurities in genuine or a standard drug, or substitution of a genuine article with spurious, inferior, defective or harmful substances, that is the replacement of a genuine article with this quality of substances. Then the conditions for adulteration, it includes inferiority, that is the inferior varieties are generally used, spoilage, that is the spoiled varieties of the drugs are used, admixture, that is mixing with the low quality drug, sophistication, that is the again low quality drug but which are made properly so that having the better appearance, deterioration, that is the decomposition of the components will occur, and the substitution, that is the complete replacement with the substandard variety. So these are the conditions required for the adulteration. Now we will start with the methods of adulteration. So there are mainly two methods of adulteration, that is unintentional method of adulteration. This occurs because of accidentally or because of unknowingly or not having the proper knowledge, and intentionally, that is generally carried out with an intention for the adulteration purpose. Unintentional methods, this includes misidentification, carelessness, geographical unavailability and morphological similarities. While in intentional methods of adulteration, this includes different methods, so we will start one by one. First one, that is the substitution with substandard commercial variety, where these are having just morphological similarities with the authentic drug, but these are having the inferior commercial varieties are used as an adulterant, which may or may not have any chemical or therapeutic potential as that of the original drug. For example, Arabian senna, Doc senna, Avaram senna, these are generally used for the official variety, that is the Cassia senna. Or Japanese ginger, it is again used as an adulterant for the Gingival officinale. Then second method, that is substitution by superficially similar but cheaper, that is the inferior drug. So usually here the adulterated product has no relation with the genuine article, may or may not have any therapeutic or chemical component desired. For example, Alianthus are substituted for Belladonna senna mint, leaves of xanthum for the stramonium, Indian dill substituted with the European dill or a caraway. Then third method, that is adulteration by artificially manufactured substituent, where to provide the general form and appearance of various drugs, some materials are artificially manufactured and are used as a substitute for original one. Okay, where for example artificial invert sugar for pure honey, paraffin wax after yellow coloration is substituted for beeswax. So these are the example. Artificial invert sugar, it is used as a substitute for honey, and paraffin wax after yellow coloration, this is used as a substitute for the beeswax. Then next method, that is substitution by exhausted drug. So here the plant material which is already extracted out is used for the substitution purpose, where extraction means whatever the components, medicinal components which are present in that drug, these are already extracted out or removed out, and whatever the remains, it is not having any medicinal value, just having morphological similarity. So on that basis it is used as a substitute, and this is generally carried out for the volatile oil containing drug like clove and fennel. So these are the examples, that is exhausted phenyl and clove, which are not having any medicinal value, and these are the original phenyl and clove. But after exhaustion, these are further treated with some colorants and polishing agents so that they are having the similar appearance as that of the genuine one. Then fifth method, that is uses of vegetative matter from the same plant, that is by mixing advantageous matter or vegetative matter having morphological similarity with that of the genuine drug. These are used as an adulterant. For example, liverworts and the epiphytes. These are nothing but the moss which are just having the similar morphological characteristic. These are used as an adulterant. For example, cascara and cinchona. Then next, that is sixth one, harmful adulterants, where the waste from the market, these are collected and admixed purposefully with the authentic one. This particularly occur in case of liquid and unorganized drug. So liquids and unorganized means extracts and the exudates. This can be easily adulterated, where such kind of harmful adulterants are used for the adulteration purpose. For in liquids, mostly the oils are adulterated by means of this method. So pieces of amber color glass in colophony and limestone in asafoetida. So this is the example. This is the colophony having medicinal value, but amber color glass, this is not having any uh, medicinal value, but it is harmful, but still it is used for the adulteration purpose. Then seventh method, that is adulteration of powder. Here again powder adulteration can be very easy, because if we take a powder of a different leaves, that is genuine drug and the adulterated one, so both powders are having similar morphology. So on that basis, these powders can be easily adulterated. Okay, for example, exhausted ginger powder, it is having same color as that of the ginger powder, so it get easily adulterated. And powdered bars are generally adulterated with the brick powder, because these are having the brownish color. Then eighth method of adulteration, that is the common vernacular names. So these are nothing but the synonyms which are used in that local area. So in different parts of India, same plant is known by different vernacular names, or different plants are known by the same vernacular name. For example, Trianthema protulacastrum and Boravia diffusa, these are generally known or synonymous as Punarnava. So on that basis, this substitution or adulteration will take place. Then ninth method of adulteration, that is faulty collection. Means some plants, these are, or some crude drugs, these are required to be collected in a particular season, that is the particular season, time and age of plant contains the optimum bioactive molecules. When the drugs are not collected during the specified period, the quality and quantity of that drug get reduced, and such drugs are used as an adulterant. For example, coriander fruits and linseed should be collected when they are fully grown and ripened. Before that, they do not contain the required components or the chemical constituents. Belladonna roots, these are collected when these are 3 to 4 year old. So such collection again affect the amount of active constituents which are present in that plant material. Then 10th method, that is adulteration due to imperfect storage. So if imperfect storage of the drug is carried out, then there obviously occurs spoiling of that drug, and this may be occurred because of enzyme action, moisture, temperature and microbial growth, and such drugs are not useful for human consumption and are used as an adulterant. For example, cod liver oil is not stored away from light, because decomposition of vitamin A will occur, and if digitalis belladonna leaves get affected by moisture, it causes decomposition of active constituents. And the 11th method of adulteration, that is addition of a synthetic principles, where sometimes the fortify inferior natural products, synthetic principles are added. That means synthetic ones are used for an adulteration purpose, and these synthetic principles, these are having the better appearance as compared to the natural one. So these are commonly used as an adulterant, where addition of citral in the lemon and benzyl benzoate to the balsam of Peru. So this is regarding the methods of adulteration. So there are total 11 methods of adulteration. So with example, we have seen in detail this method of adulteration. So thank you for watching this video. And like and subscribe this video for getting further learning videos of this pharmacognosy and phytochemistry subject. Thank you. Thank you very much.